So here we are in Colombo at the pizza factory, and a couple of very fine gentlemen here, the chef as well. And this is how they make their pizza. They've laid out here. We've just had one pizza, but it was so nice we took another one. And you can see over here is the kiln, the oven, glowing there. Nice pieces of wood give that lovely smoky flavour. It's very, very nice. And here's the all bits of wood and the decoration. It's amazing. And you can see here is all the different toppings and everything you can have. It's lovely. Oh, and there's more things here as well. So now the chef is going to tell me all about why you're the chef.
Yes, I'm the chef.
So tell me, what is your history? How do you know about making pizza? And smile for YouTube.
Okay.
Because we want people to come to Sri Lanka, yes?
Sure. Normally, my recipe, this is not a Sri Lankan recipe, Italian recipe. No, I'm working for the 5-star hotel experience. They have the 5-star experience. 24 years experience of the 5-star hotel.
Okay.
Now I'm here, I'm working.
And this is like when I'm eating the pizza, it's like an authentic pizza.
Authentic
It's
pizza.
not like some biscuit from a normal kind of pizza shop. This is like real Italian pizza. That's what I was really impressed with.
Thank you.
And I thought we got to make a YouTube video to show people what it's like. So here it is. Thank you very much, chef. That was a really nice meal. Thank you. You see all the fresh vegetables here. None of this frozen packet rubbish. This is all done properly. Very, very nice. And here into the...
Is it my uniform?
Oh, and here's the chef in his uniform before, and still looking very handsome now. Okay. So, and this is Janaka. Janaka gave us really good service. We're very happy with the service. And you can see the restaurant here, nice tables. You can sit down with family, friends of 4, or you can have like the communal bench there. And yeah, it's a very nice decoration here. It's beautiful, fitted out with a beautiful wooden ceiling. And yeah, and if you want to have like a bar area, they're serving alcohol as well here, which is quite nice. So this is the front entrance lobby. And here is the logo. So if you want some really good pizza, it's very close to the Hilton residence. So just 2 minutes, 3 minutes walk, you can have absolutely superb pizza here. And you can also order and have it delivered, which is even better. So great pizza in Colombo, Sri Lanka.